Hi there, Marcus de Maria here with your Crypto Insight of the Day, brought to you by your Crypto Club. Just sitting there in my garden with beautiful weather in the UK. Absolutely incredible. It was my daughter Melania's 9th birthday, and we had about 20 screaming kids around here yesterday, so just relaxing. I just wanted to say that Bill Gates just said that if he could, that he would short Bitcoin. Well, Bill, honestly, you can short Bitcoin. There's futures. You can go on exchanges like, actually brokers even, like yourtradingbroker.com, where you can use spread betting and CFDs. You can buy, sell, short. You can do everything. Spread betting tax-free, where you can't, Bill, because you're from the US. On yourtradingbroker.com, they do things like Ripples, Litecoin. They're looking at Neo even, obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, etc., etc. Anyway, the point is this. The point is that people are shocked by this, but it's not so much shock that somebody so notorious and well known and respected in the community, well, his community anyway, not the cryptocurrency community, should say something like this. But we must not forget several things. I mean, people are reacting really because he's not with it, man. Come on, Bill. But not only that, do you know who one of his best friends is? Warren Buffett. And Warren Buffett, love what he's done, long-term investing in companies where, he won't even invest in Microsoft. That's really hilarious, right? He won't even invest in Microsoft, which Bill Gates is the founder of and the majority shareholder, because he doesn't understand it. So of course, somebody like Warren Buffett will not understand Bitcoin, won't understand digital currency. Of course not. And there you go, one of his best friends, Bill Gates, is saying exactly the same thing because, and I saw this in an interview with both of them, they rely on each other for certain information. And when it comes to investing and things like that, it is Warren Buffett that he goes to. And Warren Buffett is not a fan because of digital currencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., because he doesn't understand it. And he knows that, and he says that, and it's fine. But people are getting upset just because, I think more because he just doesn't get it, more than they're shocked that somebody in such a high position would say something like that. So I thought it was interesting, and from several aspects, including that you can short it if you want to. Just go to a broker that offers that. I mean, come on, man. Anyway, so that's your insight of the day. But I think the insight really is that people are talking about cryptocurrencies. This is not something that's going away. It's growing in strength. It's growing in infrastructure. It's getting a much deeper foundation. People are talking about it. Somebody like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, they're all talking about it. This is good news. 5 years ago, wasn't on their radar. 4 years ago, not on their radar. It wasn't on their radar. Now it is. Why? Because it's going to be huge, people. Bitcoin at the moment is just hovering at around the 9,500 mark. I'm telling you what, watch out. Because when it breaks above that 10,000, that's a psychological barrier. The big numbers, the big 00s are always very psychological. Obviously 9,000 is as well. But 10,000 has got another 0. So therefore, that's even more psychological. When it goes above that, you watch to see what happens. By the way, it's the same as in stocks. I don't know whether you know this, but there's been a study made that when a stock goes above 1,000, then it's going to carry on going up. Very few do because they do something called stock splits, whereas Google, Amazon, etc. haven't. But when a stock goes above 100 as well, then psychologically it's just going to carry on going up. That's just one of those things. So the 10,000 mark is the one to watch for. When it goes above that, boom, could go up a lot. So, but we're not waiting for that. We are just doing our value cost averaging strategy because it works. So that's your insight for the day. Let me get back to my drink of water.